Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. And this video is going to be an overview of my whole firearm collection. So let's start up at the top left. I have one of my many 29 19838s, the black sander plate. This one's the one I use mostly on that stroke plate. Another 9838. This terminal is broken on it, but it still works. This is a 20-on-1 9838 again with a silver sounder plate. Another 20-on-1 9838, but stroke plate is a 40-on-3 9501. I said it was a 40-on-4 a couple videos ago. I'm stupid. 20-on-1 9838 silver sounder plate on 40-on-3 9101. This right here is my Simplex 4050 6-volt AC horn. Alright, over here is my Gentex Commander 3 strobe only. Yeah. Right here is my Simplex 4006 9127 Smart Sync True Alert. Strobe only is 4004 9332. It's a quick alert. This is 4.5, 9127 again. Yeah. I mean, I got two of the same horn strobes. And I can't use them. It's sad. This right here is my 4251-201. And I'm surprised. Oh, wait. Model number is falling off on this 201. Right here is my 40-3 9219. Horn strobe. Yeah, I cut the jumpers on it like a stupid idiot. Right here is my first gen Wheelock AS. Mounting brackets in there. Right here is my Firelight BG12. And right here is another Firelight BG12. Surprisingly. Okay. Over here is my Simplex 2099 97 96 full station brake glass. I'm thinking of getting brake glass for this and breaking it in a system test. Coming up next here is my K-Moon 104-1. It's the Spectrally Classic knockoff. Next to it is my System Sensor P2R. Yeah, I was about to say P2RL, but that's the L series. Right here is my EST. I know it's a Genesis, but am I blind? G1RF-VM. And right here is my System Sensor SR strobe only. And this multi-candela also has 1575, and this is 1575 as well. Here is my Notifier BNG1. I like this pull station. It's one of my favorites I have in my collection. Oh yeah, I need to pull them. Oh no! I think the button's broken. I need to fix that. Yeah, that's pulled. Coming up last on the alarms, it's my Simplex 4251-20, and it's on the Simplex back box. Okay. Now, let's go on to panels. I have my Firelight MS2 panel. And yes, I have a Simplex key in it. Don't bother me. She will be missed. Old Bertha, she took her last breath summer of 2020. Now the reason why I don't use this panel is because the knack is fried from me having the 9219 on Mac 1. So I thought that was a genius idea. Right here is my Simplex 4004. Obviously. The reason why I have it down is because I'm going to be living at my mom's house for now. So I'm thinking of, and there's Bingus. This is my almighty Bingus. He protects my panel. But yeah, I'm going to be making a mini system over there. And it's like I need a bigger system. I got a smaller collection. I mean, that's a big collection, but smaller. Let's go through my parts box. This is the tool thing. I have 2 system sensor i3s that I don't have the brackets for some reason. Right here, it's a Simplex ceiling mount 4903 9460 addressable horn strobe that I took apart. This is when I put the 9219 strobe in and a 9838 horn. Make it a mechanical horn strobe. But I recently, like a couple nights ago, I fried this horn trying to power it. Because, you know, I'm dumb. Yeah, it's parts. I got an Enunciator card for my 4004 and a MapNet module. Yeah, and we don't talk about that at all. Parts. This is my 425130 backing. I have the front. Yeah. I'm gonna get a replacement button for this and get it up and running. This is an RSG T-bar back box. It has a party thing, a party ribbon in it. This is my system sensor P2RL that I ran on 120 volts when I was a little child. And it's completely deep fried right now. Sad times. Expander card for my 4004 for wire smoke detector module. I think most likely signaling device. Yeah, it's a relay module. Ooh. My first CPU for the 4004, it came with the ribbon cable broken, and it just caught on fire the first time I powered it on, so, which is not my fault though. I ain't gonna take responsibility for it breaking. It got here. This is another expander card. It's just a double one. Yeah. I think me personally, I've fried one of these. I don't remember which one it was. I think it was the bigger one, which I hate myself for. Terminals for my 425130, and a couple back boxes. Old First Alert smoke detector case, not case, but cover. Some outlet covers, an outlet, 9-volt battery that's heavily corroded, don't know why it's in there, and some of this sexy wire. I need to find some more of that wire. It came with my 4004, so yeah. And I'd say that's about it for everything. So thank you guys for watching my death trap of an alarm collection.